How to Believe on Power, and Share on Positive and Prospere on Abundancia. Believing in the power of positivity and sharing in the context of abundance is a mindset shift that requires conscious effort and practice. Here's how you can cultivate belief and sharing in a positive and prosperous abundance. 1. Cultivate self-belief. Recognize your worth. Understand that you deserve abundance and positivity in your life just as much as anyone else. Affirmations. Practice daily affirmations that reinforce your belief in positivity and abundance. Repeat statements like, "I attract abundance," or "I am open to prosperity." Visualize success. Imagine yourself living a life of abundance and positivity. Visualizing success can help reinforce your belief. 2. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have. Acknowledge and appreciate the blessings you currently have in your life. Gratitude opens the door to more positivity. Gratitude. Journal. Maintain a journal where you write down things you're grateful for each day. This practice can shift your perspective towards abundance. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Positive influences. Spend time with people who have a positive and abundant mindset. Their energy can uplift and inspire you. Limit negativity. Reduce exposure to negative news, social media, or environments that drain your energy. 4. Embrace a sharing mindset. Start small. Begin by sharing small acts of kindness with those around you. It could be helping a neighbor, giving compliments, or supporting a friend. Give freely. Share your knowledge, time, and resources without expecting anything in return. Genuine sharing creates a cycle of positivity. Pay it forward. When someone helps you or extends kindness, consider paying it forward to someone else. This creates a chain of positive actions. 5. Set goals and take action. Define your vision. Clearly define what abundance and positivity mean to you. Set specific goals related to these aspects of your life. Take steps. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Each small step you take contributes to your overall belief in abundance. 6. Practice generosity. Donate and support. Contribute to charitable causes or initiatives that align with your values. Your giving can have a significant impact on others' lives. Share knowledge. Offer your expertise or mentorship to those who can benefit from it. Sharing knowledge is a powerful way to uplift others. 7. Reflect and adjust. Regularly assess your progress in adopting a positive and sharing mindset. Celebrate achievements and adjust your strategies if needed. Remember, adopting an abundance mindset and sharing positivity is a journey. Be patient with yourself and consistently practice these principles to see positive changes in your beliefs and actions over time. 8. The ripple effect of positivity. Explore how a single positive thought or action can create a ripple effect, impacting not only your life but also the lives of those around you. Discover stories of individuals who started with a small act of kindness and witnessed how it spread far and wide, generating a chain reaction of positivity and abundance. 9. Courageous sharing for abundance. Dive into the concept of courageous sharing, the idea that stepping out of your comfort zone to share your skills, resources, or experiences can lead to unexpected opportunities and a richer life. Share inspiring anecdotes of people who embraced vulnerability and reaped abundant rewards by sharing their unique gifts. 10. Manifesting prosperity through mindset shifts. Explore practical techniques for shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Dive deep into the power of visualization, affirmations, and creative visualization to manifest prosperity. Share success stories of individuals who transform their lives by altering their thought patterns and focusing on positivity. 11. Empowering others through shared abundance. Discuss the profound impact of empowering others through shared abundance. Share stories of communities or organizations that thrive when individuals come together to pool their resources, knowledge, and support, resulting in collective growth and prosperity. 12. Small acts of kindness, big impact. Highlight the significance of small acts of kindness in creating a more positive and prosperous world. Delve into the science behind how even the tiniest gestures, when multiplied, can have a transformative effect on personal well-being, relationships, and overall societal harmony. 13. Remember, each of these topics can be explored in greater depth, incorporating real-life examples, expert insights, and practical tips to inspire your audience to embrace positivity, sharing, and prosperity in their own lives. Follow me on this journey.